Good morning students, welcome to today's maths class. So we have already started chapter 1, that is number system, and we are doing exercise 1a. So let's continue with the exercise 1a. In that 8th question, form the greatest and the smallest 4-digit numbers using the given digits without repetition. In that first 3, 7, 2 and 5. So using these given digits, you have to form the greatest 4-digit number possible and the smallest 4-digit number possible. Okay, and these numbers should not be repeated. Okay, without repeating the numbers, you have to form the greatest and smallest 4-digit numbers. Okay, so this is very simple. In order to form the greatest number, just arrange the given digits or numbers in descending order. Okay, in order to form the greatest number, arrange the given digits in descending order. So arranging these numbers or digits in descending order, what you will get? First we can write 7. Okay, next 5. Then 3. Last 2. So 7532 is the greatest 4-digit number we can form using these given digits. Okay, now in order to form the smallest number, just arrange the given digit in ascending order. Okay, so ascending order, first write the smallest number. So 2, then 3, 5, 7. So 2357 is the smallest 4-digit number possible. Okay, in that third one, 7, 0, 4 and 2. Using these digits, you have to form the greatest 4-digit number possible and smallest 4-digit number possible. Okay, in order to form the greatest 4-digit number, what we do? We arrange the given digits in descending order. Here what we will get on arranging these numbers in descending order? 7 comes first, then 4, then 2, then 0. 7420. This is the greatest 4-digit number we can form using these digits. Now in order to form the smallest 4-digit number using this digit, what we do? We arrange the given numbers in ascending order. But on arranging or while arranging in ascending order, what we will get? 0 first, then 2, then 4, then 7. 0, 2, 4, 7. Actually, what is this number? It is 247. 0 at the leftmost end has no value. Okay, no number start with the 0. Okay, the 0 at the left end has no value. So this number is actually 247 and it is a 3-digit number. So arranging as in ascending order with the 0 in front or 0 at the left end is not possible. So what we do is just interchange the digits. First and second digit you just interchange. 2 you can write first and then you can write 0. Okay, after that 4, 7, that ascending order. Arranging the remaining numbers in ascending order, you will get 4 and 7 next. Okay, so the smallest number possible, it is 2047. In this way you can form greatest number and smallest number. If 0 comes means just interchange the first and second number. Okay. Next 10th question. Form the greatest and the smallest 4-digit numbers using any 4 different digits with the condition that digit 5 is always at tens place. So what is the question? You have to form the greatest and the smallest 4-digit numbers using different digits. Okay, and there is a condition that digit 5, it should be at the tens place. Okay, so we know there are 10 digits including 0. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are the 10 digits. Okay, using these digits you have to form greatest and the smallest 4 digit numbers, and this 5 should come at a tens place. Okay, so in order to form the greatest number, we can arrange these digits in descending order. Okay, arrange the digits, only 4 digits are needed. Okay, 4 digit number you need, so 4 digits, 4 largest digit you can arrange in descending order. So here 9 you can select, you can write first, that is thousands place you can write 9. Then after that you can write 8. Then in tens place 5 should come. That is the condition. So you can write 5 there. Then you can write 7. Okay, so 9857 is the greatest number you can form using these digits. Okay, now smallest number. Smallest number, you can write the digits in ascending order. Only 4 digits are needed. So first you can write, listen here, 0 is coming, so no number start with 0. So what to do? Next number, the smallest number after 0 you have to write first. Okay, so first we can write 1, then you can write 0, then at tens place it should be 5, that is the condition. Now next you can write 2. Okay, so 1052 is the smallest number that can be formed using different digits, 4 different digits. Okay. Next 12th question. Form the largest number with the digits 2, 3, 5, 9, 6 and 0 without repetition of any digit. Okay, so here digits, some digits are given 2, 3, 5, then 9, 6 and 0. These are the digits given. You have to form the largest number. Okay, using these digits, what is the largest number you can form? And it is given the digit should not be repeated. Okay, one digit you can write once only. It should not be repeated. So how can you form? Very simple. Just arrange the given digits in descending order. Okay, so largest number equal to, how can you write? Arranging these digits in descending order, first you can write a 9. So 9, then it is 6, then 5, then 3, then 2, 0. So 9,65,320. This is the largest number you can make or form using these given digits. Okay. Next 13th question. Write the smallest and the greatest numbers of 4 digits without repetition of any digit. So what is the question? You have to form smallest and the greatest 4 digit number, and the digits should not be repeated. Okay, one digit you can use only one time. It should not be repeated. So we know that there are 10 digits including 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are the 10 digits. In order to form the smallest number, you can select the first 4 smallest digit. Okay, first 4 smallest digit, it is 0, 1, 2 and 3. We have to form 4 digit number. So only 4 digits are needed. So in order to form the smallest number, we can select first 4 smallest digit. Okay. So in order to form the smallest number, we can arrange these numbers, these digits in their ascending order. But here 0 is coming and we know that no number start with 0. So what to do? We can write first, we can write the smallest number just after 0. Okay, smallest digit after 0, that is coming after 0. That you can write first. So smallest digit that is coming after 0, it is 1. Okay, so 1 you can write first, and at second place you can write 0. Okay, just interchange 1 and 0's places. Okay, then the remaining digits you can arrange in ascending order, write in ascending order. So next you can write a 2, then you can write a 3. So 1023 is the smallest 4-digit number we can form without repetition of any digit. Okay, next largest number. In order to form the largest number, we have to select 4 largest digits. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 4 largest digits, and using this digit you can form the largest number. Now in order to form the largest number, what to do? Just arrange these digits in their descending order. Okay, so first you can write 9, then you can write 8, then 7, last 6. So 9876 is the largest 4-digit number we can form without repetition of any digit. Okay. 17th question, first one, how many 4-digit numbers are there between 999 and 3000? So here you have to find in between 999 and 3000 how many 4-digit numbers are there. Okay, so this 999 and 3000, these two numbers are not included. Okay, 999ൻ്റെയും 3000ൻ്റെയും ഇടയിൽ എത്ര 4-digit നമ്പേഴ്സ് ഉണ്ട് അതാണ് ഇവിടെ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കേണ്ടത്. അപ്പോൾ ഈ 999ഉം 3000ഉം അതിൽ ഇൻക്ലൂഡഡ് അല്ല. ഓക്കെ, സോ ആഫ്റ്റർ 999 വാട്ട് ഈസ് ദ നമ്പർ? ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് 1000, ആൻഡ് ബിഫോർ 3000 the number that comes is 2999. Okay, so 1000 to 2999, how many numbers are there? Okay, this is what you need to find here. From 1000 to 2999, how many numbers are there? So in that 1000 and 2999 is included. ഇവിടെ 1000 മുതൽ 2999 വരെ എത്ര നമ്പേഴ്സ് ഉണ്ട്? അപ്പോൾ 1000ഉം 2999ഉം അതിൽ ഇൻക്ലൂഡഡ് ആണ്. ഓക്കെ, ഇൻ ഓർഡർ ടു ഫൈൻഡ് ഹൗ മെനി നമ്പേഴ്സ് ആർ ദെയർ ഫ്രം 1000 to 2999, ഫസ്റ്റ് ഡു ദ സബ്ട്രാക്ഷൻ ഓഫ് 2999 and 1000. Subtract the smaller number from the larger number first. So 2999 minus 1000. First step you have to do the subtraction. You will get 1999. Then next you have to add 1 to that. Okay, so what you will get? You will get 2000. Okay, so from 1000 to 2999, 2000 numbers are there. Okay, this is the answer. There are 2000 4-digit numbers in between 999 and 3000. Okay. In that second one, how many 4-digit numbers are there between 99 and 3000? Okay. So here also you have to find in between 99 and 3000 how many 4-digit numbers are there. In between numbers means these numbers are not included. 3000 is not included, and 99, it is a 2-digit number, so it is not included. Okay, so first 4-digit number is that comes after 99, it is 1000. 99 ശേഷം ആദ്യം വരുന്ന 4-digit നമ്പർ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 1000 ആണ്. സോ നമുക്ക് 1000 മുതലാണ് നമ്പേഴ്സിൻ്റെ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുള്ളൂ. ഓക്കെ, 1000 to then last number, which is the last number? 3000 is not included, so the number that comes before 3000, it is 2999. So 1000 to 2999, how many numbers are there? So for that what we do? The same step. just subtract the smaller number from larger number, that is 2999 minus 1000, you will get 1999, then add 1 to that, so you will get 2000. Okay, so here also the answer is 2000, not 20,000. 2000 numbers are there in between. 2000 4-digit numbers are there in between 99 and 3000. Okay. Next, 20th question. Make the greatest and the smallest 4-digit numbers using the digits 5, 4, 7 and 9 without repeating the digits, and with the condition that first one 7 is at units place. So here in this question 4 digits are given, 5, 4, 7 and 9. You have to form the greatest 4-digit number and smallest 4-digit number, and one condition is given. First question one condition is given, 7 should be at units place. Okay, at ones place you should write a 7. Okay, so 4-digit number 7 will come at units place in both the numbers. Okay, both greatest 4-digit number and smallest 4-digit number 7 should be at units place. So remaining 3 digits you have to find. Okay, what will come? So in order to find the greatest 4-digit number, what we can do? You can arrange the remaining digits. Okay, 7, except 7, the remaining 3 digits you can arrange in descending order. Okay, so 5, 4 and 9, on arranging them in descending order, what we will get? 9, 5, 4. Okay, so the greatest 4-digit number is 9547. Now smallest 4-digit number, in order to form the smallest 4-digit number, you can arrange the digits in their ascending order. Except 7, the remaining digits you can arrange in ascending order. Okay, so arranging in ascending order, first you can write 4, then 5, then 9. Okay, at units place it will be 7. So 4597 will be the smallest 4-digit number. In that second one, 9 is at tens place. Okay, so you have to make the greatest and smallest 4-digit number using these digits 5, 4, 7 and 9, and the condition is 9 is at tens place. Okay, so this is thousands, hundreds, tens place. At tens place it will be 9, then ones place. Okay, similarly in smallest 4-digit number, this is thousands, hundreds, tens place it should be 9, and this is ones place. Okay, so in order to form the greatest 4-digit number, you can arrange the digits in their descending order. The digits except 9 we already wrote here. Okay, wrote at a tens place. So remaining digits you can arrange in their descending order to form the greatest 4-digit number. Okay, so 7, 4 and 5. On arranging in descending order, you will write 7 first, then 5, and here it will be 4. So 7594. This is the greatest 4-digit number. Now in order to form the smallest 4-digit number, you can arrange the digit except 9 in their ascending order. Okay, these numbers, these digits 5, 4 and 7, you can arrange them in ascending order and write in these blanks. Okay, so first you can write 4, here it will be 5, at ones place it will be 7, so 4597. Okay, here 9, in both the numbers 9 comes at a tens place. That is the condition given, that's why we wrote a 9 at a tens place. Okay, other digit, remaining digits, we arrange them in descending order to form the greatest 4-digit number and ascending order to form the smallest 4-digit number. Okay, so remaining all other problems of exercise 1A you can do as homework. Let's discuss that answers in the live class. Okay, so this much for this class. Thank you.